Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple code. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. If such kind of error you are facing in your application, so in this video I am going to explain how to solve this error. If we go to browser, you see that right now I have such kind of error. If I click on this, you see same error I am getting here and I have a problem also. So how to remove this error, that I am going to tell you. This error is coming because of the pop-up blocker which you are using in your browser. Maybe that may be Chrome or that may be another browser. If you are using such kind of pop-up blocker, just check in your system, in your browser, that you have some pop-up blocker. If you have some pop-up blocker, just go to the setting of that. Remember there and go to whitelist site, and here type the link which you are using here, like I'm using here localhost, like this. Copy this and paste here. So I'm using this localhost, so I'm running this on all the port localhost and add this. Remember that this localhost I am just entering into the whitelist of my pop-up blocker. So you see error is gone. Now this error would not come in your application, you see, because I have checked this as a whitelisted. So my pop-up blocker is not stopping this website now, and you see that this is in the whitelisted list. Okay, so like this way you can remove your error. If you have such kind of error in your Next.js or React application, you can remove it. If you feel this information is valuable for you, please help me to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.